Hey friends, today we're going to look at how I styled Marco's haircut, which is typically called a brushback or a flow or a square layer. The defining feature of this haircut is that it all typically sweeps back, usually brushes behind the ears, and it'll either middle part, have a little bit of a side part, or just kind of all flow back together. So let's get into it and see how we styled it. First up, we have our texture cream. This is kind of a lightweight matte finish product, really just designed to give a little bit of hold while we do the pre-style. And since I was cutting his hair, I'm pre-styling with a little bit of product so I can see the final shape before I do my point cutting and refining the edges. I'm first going to start with just a rough dry, just to get the hair close to dry, maybe like 60% dry. Just getting the hair to sit a little bit more where we want it and get it closer to dry so we can start to style it. I like to advise our clients on how to style this well, depending on what their grooming routine usually is. So if there's someone who likes to blow dry their hair a lot, I'll instruct them on how to actually blow dry this back, how to get some volume on top. But typically, I find most clients with this haircut, they really just want to put a little bit of product in their hair, brush it all back, let it air dry, and then just look like they walked off the beach. Next up, we have our matte clay paste. I'm using this product just because it has a little bit more grip and hold. It's on the medium to high hold range. You want to add a little bit of water to break it down to get it into more of like a lotion consistency before you put it in the hair. But this is a great finishing product to get just that final bit of hold that's going to last all day. But it's a matte finish, so it's not going to be too greasy and shiny or weigh the hair down. So this is an ideal product. I use this in 90% of my haircuts. There we have it, friends. We got a nice brush back flow haircut. I'm loving the way this tucks back behind the ears, flows back nicely, and Marco loves it too. See you on the next video. Smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Stick around as we do more styling and cutting tutorials in the future.